A burnt smell from your dryer is often caused by lint buildup, clogged vents, or a damaged thermostat. To address these issues, start by cleaning the lint screen. Switch off the dryer, pull out the screen, and remove excess lint by hand before rinsing it with warm water and mild soap to remove any stubborn stains. Allow the screen to air dry before reinserting it into the dryer. Next, unclog the vents by unplugging the dryer, pulling it away from the wall, and disconnecting the vent. Use a brush to loosen any fluff, then vacuum to remove debris. Also, check the vent's exterior exit and use a brush and vacuum to clear any blockages. Replacing damaged ductwork is needed before reconnecting the vent and plugging in the dryer to test. If the issue persists, if the problem remains, consider replacing the thermostat. Unplug the dryer, remove the top panel, locate the thermostat, and disconnect the attached wires to inspect for corrosion. Remove the old thermostat from its housing. Align the replacement part, reconnect the wires, and reattach the top panel before restoring power to the dryer. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the cause of the burnt smell from your dryer.